Alright, what's up everybody? I'm Ashley and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, yes, the quality is horrible right now, but give me a second to get it together. In this video, I am going to be showing you how I take my product photos. So I do have a little window seat right here that we're going to use. Typically, I like to go outside and I have this white pedestal that I just, sit my glasses on. I like a clean white background, or I usually use a poster board, but one, I don't feel like going outside and getting attacked by mosquitoes. Two, I don't have the poster board anywhere because I threw it away, so I'm going to be showing you a really easy and inexpensive way to take your product pictures. So yeah, if you want to see how I do it, then keep watching. So for this video, really easy, really simple. One, we just have a stack of printer paper. Two, we just have our sunglasses. And three, today I'm using a Canon T6 with that lens, but trust me, y'all can get the best pictures on your iPhone. But for the sake of this video, for recording purposes, I'm going to just take the pictures on my actual camera so I can, I guess, show y'all my setup and stuff. So yeah, let me get set up. So what you want to do is get in a well-lit area. What's around you doesn't matter because we're only going to be focusing on this. Drink, take a shot every time I say only if you're 21 plus though. All right, so this is it. So we're gonna take our camera. Hopefully it's not dead because I have a tendency of leaving the camera on. Okay, so we're gonna take our camera and you're gonna set up your sunglasses however you want to take the picture. I think I want to get a picture from top. So yeah, I like to get the little details because that stuff matters. It matters. That's literally my setup this time. It's pretty much my setup every time I take product photos. So all the photos you see on my website had a really similar setup to this. This is the first time that I've used printer paper, and I mean, I'm going to insert the way the pictures came out so y'all can see for reference, but these pictures are edited because I use Lightroom to edit them and stuff and make them look a little more crisp. But yeah, that's my setup. It's free basically. I'm pretty sure you have some type of background at your home to use to take your photos. I'm pretty sure you have yourself to use because you can model the whatever you're selling yourself. Yeah, I just like to use white backgrounds for my website, but for my Instagram, I like to get a little more creative and use different colors and fabrics just to add a little more to it, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you want a video on how I edit the photos, then let me know and I'll do that. I also plan on doing an inventory setup, how I set up my inventory for $20 because that's literally how much it cost me to get this little organization in place. So I know I may get a couple questions and a couple comments saying that you guys don't have the camera to take the photos, but I've actually taken photos on an iPhone 6 when I had one, when I first started out with wanting to start this and trying different methods to take pictures. I had an iPhone 6. That was what, 2 years ago? 2 or 3 years ago. So I'm going to insert that photo here. Taken on the iPhone 6. I did edit it in, I think, either Photoshop or Lightroom on my phone. Literally, I do all of my editing on my phone, whether it's for my photos or for my YouTube videos. It's all done on my phone. So yeah, and I also just recently took some more pictures on my iPhone 11, which I will insert all over. So I mean, you just use what you have. Sorry, my dogs are going crazy. Just use what you have because it works. I just use the camera for the sake of this video, but I pretty much always use my phone just because it's easier. I don't have to transfer from my camera to my phone, even though that takes 2 seconds, but still. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll for real see you guys in my next one, which will be my inventory setup or how I edit the photos. I haven't decided yet, or I might just throw a whole curveball and do a whole little lookbook. Who knows? But just stay tuned for my next video. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on all my socials. Peace.